So at Contracts Engineering, we're a contract manufacturing company. We manufacture products for OEMs and Tier 1 clients. These are going to be businesses with national or global footprints, and we supply into their UK factory base. We're now one of the largest contract manufacturers in the Southeast. So at Contracts Engineering, what we actually do is we focus on our clients' supply chain requirements and their quality requirements. And we do this by manufacturing their products to their schedule and meeting whatever quality requirements they have, from PPAPs to material certifications to welding tests. So Contracts Engineering has a very interesting story. It's a 35-year-old business, but we purchased the business back in 2012, and since then it's evolved quite a lot. Now the business focuses exclusively on manufacturing products for OEMs and Tier 1s who have large factory footprints in the UK, whereas in the past, we were sort of your local fabricator that might make a bit of shop fittings, a bit of project work, some stuff for the local artists, and that was quite a diverse business. And what we found was, over time, the way we can serve our clients best is to focus entirely on the OEM, the Tier 1 market, so all of our production is really built around meeting a very specific client need.
Over the years, technology has advanced, and we brought that technology into Contracts Engineering. And what we've seen is a more consistent and more fluid process with the robotic system and the technology brought in. It's taken the human error factor out of our day-to-day manufacturing process. I think the key components to a successful manufacturing operation is actually skill, bringing the team in, getting the team to buy into what we're doing, also along with manufacturing and technology process, which will give you stability and progress for growth in the future. We have an outstanding manufacturing and operation and process here at Contracts Engineering Limited.
Working at Contract Engineer is great because you learn different trade skills, and if you ever leave this place, you've still got them with you for life. But just that, you learn great people along the way, especially my trainer, because he's helped me get to this stage where I am today and use different machinery every day. I'm grateful to be here because some people believe women shouldn't be in the engineering industry, but therefore, to Contract Engineer, they've given me the hope and belief to pursue my career that I want.
So when we talk to prospects at Contracts Engineering, we really focus on two things that separate us from our competition. The first is we spend a lot of time understanding our clients' production and quality requirements. And secondly, we spend a lot of time talking to them about how they are growing, because what we want to do is work with them to hit their targets and grow so that we can grow together.